If you're looking for a quick and easy idea for lunch, here's something tasty you can make in a few minutes in your toaster. For these wild garlic and cheese toaster pockets, all you really need are tortillas, cheese and wild garlic. If you like, you can add chorizo, tomato, maybe some pesto, or just experiment with other ingredients. Rinse and dry the wild garlic, and it's best to use grated cheese because it melts quicker. So take a tortilla and cut it from the center to the edge. And then put your ingredients in each quarter of the tortilla except this first one. And then fold like this. Have your toaster on a low setting so it can cook the pocket all the way through without burning the outside. And there we go, it's as simple as that. So give these a try and let me know in the comments what you tried in yours.